Hi, you are on the channel Facts About Around. Here we tell many interesting and amazing facts about our world. Like and subscribe to the channel and we begin. And today we will talk about reptiles. Many people are creeped out by their sharp teeth, forked tongues, and scaly skin. So let's go. Fact number 1. Most reptiles can't chew their food. It's surprising but true. While reptiles can claw and tear food with their teeth and claws, they don't chew the way that humans do. It's not the most efficient way to eat, but reptiles have made it work. Fact number 2. All reptiles have scaly skin. In a significant evolutionary step, reptiles developed scaly skin. Before this point, vertebrates were limited to living in water. However, their scaly skin allowed them to switch to dry land. It's extremely hard and leather-like, yet still thin. Snakes shed their skin in one piece, while others do so in small flakes. This skin makes sturdy boots for cowboys decorative, but cowhide makes more versatile multi-purpose leather. Fact number 3. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. In order to function, reptiles require access to outside weather conditions. Because they are another word for cold-blooded, they don't produce their own body heat. Rather, they depend on the sun's rays during the day and surrounding temperature at night. Crocodiles and snakes actually burn calories by basking in the sun during the day. When nighttime comes, these animals will be sluggish due to a lack of energy. When comparing reptiles to other mammals and birds, ectothermic metabolisms have an advantage. This is because they don't need to eat as much. The disadvantage is that they can't maintain a high level of activity in low light conditions. Fact number 4. Most reptiles have 3-chambered hearts. While birds and mammals have 4-chambered hearts, fish and amphibians have only 2-chambered hearts. On the other hand, reptiles have 3-chambered hearts. This is because of the advantages of having 3 chambers, in comparison to 2, over mammals and birds. Having 3 chambers makes it easy for both deoxygenated and oxygenated blood to mix in the heart. This provides more oxygen to body tissues than mixing blood from just one chamber. This advantage also applies to crocodilians, which are related to birds. Fact number 5. Reptiles aren't the smartest animals on Earth. You can easily compare the intelligence of reptiles to that of other animals. Generally speaking, birds and fish have the highest IQs, smarter than both amphibians and mammals. However, reptiles are smart enough to be on par with both birds and fish. In fact, some exceptions exist in which they are smarter than cats, hedgehogs, and other mammals. When it comes to their brain size compared to their body size, the average IQ for crocodilians is around 1/10 that of rats, hedgehogs, and cats. This also applies to dinosaurs who became extinct during the KT extinction. Fact number 6. Reptiles were the world's first amniotes. The appearance of amniotes, vertebrate animals that lay their eggs on land or incubate their fetuses in the female's body, was a key transition in the evolution of life on Earth. The amphibians that preceded the reptiles had to lay their eggs in water, and thus couldn't venture far inland to colonize the Earth's continents. Fact number 7. Not all reptiles eat meat. It's common to believe that all reptiles eat the same food. Only pure carnivores eat both eggs and other animals. This includes crocodilians and snakes. In addition to plants, many turtles and tortoises eat fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Some even eat small mammals. Lizards come in many different varieties. They feed primarily on vegetation and insects. Some lizards, such as iguanas and leopard geckos, don't eat any plant matter. On the other hand, others feed on fruits and vegetables, including bearded dragons and fence lizards. Fact number 8. Reptiles are not invertebrates. Reptiles are vertebrate animals with a backbone, just like fish, mammals, birds, and amphibians. The flexibility of some snakes can make it seem like they do not have any bones at all. However, they do have vertebrae. Snakes have several hundred vertebrae that let them bend and coil in ways that would be impossible with a smaller number of backbones. Fact number 9. Reptiles shed their scales. In addition to bones and skin, snakes and other reptiles have hard scales that don't grow with their body. As a result, they must shed old scales as they grow larger. This is like how arachnids and insects can shed their exoskeletons. During a temporary period of starvation, people lose their appetite and become lethargic or withdrawn. Fact number 10. Some reptiles can change color. Chameleons are famous for the color-changing ability of their skin. Chameleons change skin colors at a rapid rate. They can be green or brown, others have colored skin. These animals can also change colors such as yellow, red, purple, black, blue, and orange. Although the reason chameleons change colors has yet to be fully understood, it is rumored that they can do so to hide themselves from predators or to signal other emotions. It is also believed that they change colors to facilitate communication among individuals. Fact number 11. Tortoises are the longest living reptiles. Tortoises outlive all other reptile species by a long time. Many species of animal can live past 80 years of age. This is because they have hard shells, low metabolism, and few health issues. 180 years is the maximum lifespan of a tortoise, which isn't very common for animals. Because of their slow metabolisms and tough shells, many animal species can live well past 80 years of age. This is exceptionally long for a tortoise, who only typically lives 180 years. Fact number 11. Reptiles do not sweat. Without sweat glands, reptiles don't perspire, even when they experience high temperatures. This reduces their water requirements due to the heat in their environment. In the wild, various reptiles achieve cold by retreating into the shade, burying themselves, or drinking water. When they enter the water, they can also melt away body heat. By exposing their open mouths to the air, crocodiles passively regulate their body heat. This process is known as gaping and serves to keep their heads comfortably cool. Snakes from the desert dig through the topmost layer of sand to access the colder underground levels. Fact number 12. Some species can smell using their tongues. Reptiles such as crocodilians, turtles, and tortoises use their noses to detect smells. They're similar to mammals in this regard. Lizards and snakes use their tongues to detect odors. They collect scent particles on the roof of their mouths and move them to the vomeronasal organ, which they use to taste. They use their tongues to detect pheromones emitted by other reptiles. This method enables them to accurately determine the direction of a scent. Unfortunately, the length of this video does not allow us to tell you even more facts, so subscribe to our channel to learn even more facts about our interesting world. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.